Surfshark is a powerhouse in the VPN space, offering strong security, unlimited connections, and a sleek interface. But let's be honest, not everyone finds it the perfect fit. Maybe it's the price, the interface, or you just want to explore what else is out there. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into 3 top-notch alternatives that bring speed, security, and unique features to the table, each with its own advantages over Surfshark. And here's the best part. Stick around till the end because we've got an exclusive discount waiting for you in the video. Whether you need better streaming, stronger privacy, or a more budget-friendly option, we'll help you find the perfect VPN match. First on our list is IPVanish. If you have multiple devices to protect, this VPN is a fantastic option. Unlimited simultaneous connections. Protect all your devices with a single account, from your phone to your smart TV. AES 256 encryption. Top-tier security that keeps your data locked down. WireGuard protocol, the high-performance engine that delivers lightning-fast speeds. Kill switch, your safety net that disconnects the internet if your VPN drops, keeping your IP hidden. Split tunneling, choose which traffic goes through the VPN and which stays on your regular connection. Perfect for balancing security and speed. Ever tried to stream something and hit a geo-block? IPVanish takes care of that. It's great for Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube, so you can enjoy content from anywhere. Plus, it's built for speed, no more frustrating buffering. If you want a high-speed VPN that lets you connect everything at once, IPVanish is an excellent pick. With affordable pricing and powerful features, IPVanish is a strong contender in the VPN market, starting from just $2.19 per month. Click the link below in the description to check it out. Now let's talk about Bitdefender VPN, built by the same cybersecurity experts behind Bitdefender Antivirus, a name trusted by millions worldwide. This VPN is all about balancing speed, security, and privacy without making things complicated. Unlimited encrypted traffic, no data caps, no slowdowns, just full-speed browsing and streaming. Military-grade AES 256 encryption, the same encryption trusted by governments and top security firms. Global server network, 4,000+ servers in 50+ countries for unrestricted access to content. Ad and tracker blocker, stops annoying ads and creepy trackers from following you around the internet. Wi-Fi protection, auto-secures your connection on public Wi-Fi so hackers can't snoop on your data. Kill switch, instantly cuts off your internet if the VPN drops, keeping your real IP hidden. Double hop feature, routes your traffic through 2 servers instead of 1 for an extra layer of anonymity. Bitdefender VPN isn't just about privacy, it's also fast. Thanks to the WireGuard protocol, you get a super smooth experience, whether you're streaming Netflix, gaming, or just browsing. And yes, it unblocks streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and BBC iPlayer, so you can access content from anywhere. If you want a fast, secure, and easy-to-use VPN backed by cybersecurity pros, Bitdefender VPN is a top pick. With our exclusive discount, the 1-year plan is just $2.92 per month. Need flexibility? The 1-month plan is $6.99 billed monthly. Plus, a 30-day money-back guarantee means you can try it risk-free. Enjoying the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more VPN reviews and tech tips. It really helps, and you won't miss out on our future content. Last, but definitely not least, we have ProtonVPN. This VPN is all about privacy and security. If you want a VPN that prioritizes anonymity and transparency, this is the one to check out. AES 256 encryption, military-grade security trusted by governments and top security agencies. Open source and independently audited. Every line of code is transparent, reducing security risks. Secure core servers, routes your traffic through multiple hardened servers for extra protection against surveillance and cyber threats. Strict no-logs policy. Your data is never stored, ensuring complete anonymity. Stealth protocol helps bypass censorship and VPN blocks by disguising VPN traffic as normal web traffic. Tor over VPN allows you to route traffic through the Tor network for maximum privacy. DNS leak protection and kill switch ensures that your real IP address never gets exposed, even if the VPN connection drops. NetShield Ad Blocker blocks ads, trackers, and malware to enhance your browsing experience. Unblock geo-restricted content effortlessly. Works with Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. High-speed servers, 10 gigabits per second connections. Stream and browse without buffering or slowdowns. P2P support, ideal for secure torrenting with unlimited bandwidth. ProtonVPN is the go-to for privacy enthusiasts. It's built with security in mind and never logs your data. But keep in mind, while the free plan is great for basic use, it has limited servers and lower speeds. For full speed and more locations, upgrade to premium plan. With our exclusive discount, it's only $3.99 per month for a year or $3.59 for 2 years. Plus, a 30-day money-back guarantee lets you try risk-free. So there you have it, the top 3 Surfshark alternatives. Whether you need unlimited device connections, unlimited encrypted traffic, or the highest level of privacy, there's a VPN here for you. And as promised, we've got a special discount just for you. Check the description below for exclusive deals and secure your internet today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment on which VPN you choose, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and security content. See you in the next one.